Hi guys, I will be providing you guys with a beautiful Bitcoin trade setup, but more importantly, I will also be speaking about a very special event because on Monday the 3rd of June, I will be hosting a 24-hour charity live stream. There's a lot of very cool people that will be joining the stream. I will be co-hosting with Folies. I will be co-hosting with Yanzi. I will be co-hosting with MGV Capital. I will be co-hosting the stream with a few very special people. And I already want to thank them for joining me. The stream will be sponsored by Bybit. And also we will be sponsored by Bright Funded and a very good friend of mine who has his own coffee brand. I will be hosting some massive giveaways. You guys certainly have to join the stream. It's gonna be a blast. I am a bit nervous because 24 hours is a very long period of time. But we have some very cool events planned during the stream. And I honestly can't wait to share this with you guys. I have a few very close friends in life and two of them both lost their father due to illness. So one of them lost his father unfortunately due to a brain tumor, which is obviously horrible. The other one lost his father due to ALS. So we'll be hosting for two different charities, Stelvio for Life, which is doing research into cancer treatment, and the other one is Stichting ALS. It's a Dutch charity that is helping people with the disease of ALS to help them live a better life, and they're also doing research into certain treatments and into certain cures. I will leave the link to the Twitch channel down below in the description. Right now guys, I think it's time to dive into the Bitcoin trade setup. What we can see over here guys, and that's the first thing that we should always notice, is that Bitcoin is still range bound. We have a range pivot number 1, range pivot number 2, range pivot number 3, 4 and number 5, giving us a very high probability of the range. Look at the respect of the mid-range guys. Beautiful resistance, massive support. Guys, don't fade the mid-range. Right now, there's two different possibilities. When we look at the 4-hourly time frame and then switch on the 100 and 200 EMA, we can see that the price is trying to hold on to the 100 EMA on the 4-hourly time frame in confluence with a mid-range level. Now, personally, as a trader, I've taught you guys that as a trader, we should always, and I mean always, look for the highest probability setups out there. Now, when I look at the current price action for Bitcoin, what I can see is that we are creating some fake break of structures across the board. This is a fake break of structure right over here. And also this move over here is a fake break of structure. Now, why are these fake break of structures? Because we are breaking through two highs over here that carry no significance. Why do these highs carry no significance? Because these highs over here do not bring us to fresh lows compared to this low that brought us to this high, or this low that brought us to this high over here. Now, as long as these highs don't bring us to fresh lows, they carry no significance. But retail traders think that they are looking at a valid break of structure, So what are retail traders doing? They are breakout longing the price of Bitcoin or pullback longing the price of Bitcoin because of these fake break of structures. And they're putting their stops right beneath the lows that initiated those impulses that gave us these fake break of structure. I have taught you guys that as a trader, first of all, we always want to play the highest probability setups out there. I have taught you guys that we always want to enter where other people are getting stopped out. And now, why are we doing this? We are doing this because that's exactly what smart money is doing. That is exactly what the bigger players inside of this market are doing. Now, in this case, the liquidity is resting over here. This is where people will get stopped out. This is where people will get wrecked. So what does that mean? It means that yes, Bitcoin might hold on to the mid-range. Yes, Bitcoin might hold on to the 100 EMA on the 4-hourly time frame. But personally, I'm only going to be interested if we take the stop losses of the people that opened up invalid long positions. Which means that personally, I'm not going to be interested in longs on Bitcoin until we take out the liquidity that is resting beneath this low. Now that is quite nice confluence because we can already see that beneath that low is where we have the quarterly level of the range. And we can see that this quarterly level has been providing resistance, has been providing support, and resistance. So that quarterly level does already carry some significance. But more importantly, is that right beneath this low, we have a very clean and beautiful breaker block over here. This supply over here that was coming into the market over here led to this impulse to the downside. Not only did that supply lead to that impulse to the downside, also that supply acted as resistance, and then we broke through that supply, and this is where things are getting interesting with a very strong green displacement candle that is putting in this hour 4 bullish fair value gap that I'm mapping out with these yellow lines over here. That means that right beneath that liquidity low is where we have this bullish breaker block, and this breaker block is being confirmed by this bullish hour 4 fair value gap. It's being confirmed by that quarterly level that is providing support right there as well, which means that the trend is still up for Bitcoin. We already accumulated a long position over here with our stop loss over here targeting the range high, but we can accumulate another long position if the price of Bitcoin is going to purge that sell side liquidity, is going to tap into that breaker block, into that quarterly level. We have a very clean invalidation beneath the range low, and we have a very clean target being the range high liquidity pool. This exactly offers a beautiful RR of 2.25, and this is definitely a setup that if Bitcoin is going to provide us with another dip to the downside, I'm definitely going to be interested in taking this trade over here, reversing the price back up towards a range high liquidity pool, and hopefully profit from this position. I think that this is a beautiful setup according to my system. Beautiful range play, beautiful liquidity confluence, beautiful market structure confluence. We have all of the confluences that we need for an A+ setup onto Bitcoin. I am probably going to take this setup, not today, not during the weekend, but if on Monday the chart still looks the same, I will be inserting these limit orders live on stream, guys. So make sure to be there during the 24-hour live charity stream. I would appreciate if you guys would join. If you guys did enjoy today's YouTube video, if you guys do appreciate the effort of the 24-hour charity live stream, please guys, make sure to smash up the like button, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and guys, don't forget to follow us on Twitch as well. And I'll catch you guys on the Twitch live stream on Monday. Ciao, ciao.